Hello everyone, and how are you doing? So I am excited to share with you my 3-day cleanse recipes. Day one, I will be starting with detox. So this is my green detox juice. This is to cleanse my system, cleanse my organs, and prepare them for day two, which is fat burning. So this green juice will help me cleanse my organs so they can be in good state to prepare me for day two, so I can burn the fats for day two. Not just that, cleansing is very important as it helps to cleanse your organs so they can function properly for you to live a healthy life free of diseases and sicknesses, and your system will be so clean and function properly. So this is for day one, and this is for day two. This is my fat burning juice. I have to drink all of this on day two to help me burn fats, most especially belly fat. Like, I have eaten wrongly lately. We are all humans. There are times that you can backslide, like you just feel like eating wrong. So it's better to realize yourself early enough and get back on track. And this is for burning any fats in my system. So after burning fats, cleansing my system, this is for day three, to get into that clean system and nourish it with all those ingredients that will help glow up the skin. So without wasting much of your time, I'll take you now and show you how to come up with yours yourself at home. Remember, day one is for cleansing, day two is for fat burning, day three is for glowing. So today is day one, and cheers if you're starting with me today. So let's get straight into it, and don't forget to share this video with your family and friends so they can all join us to cleanse for these 3 days and stay healthy, looking good. So let's get into it. So voila, we'll be starting with day one, which is the detox cleansing juice. And in order to make the green juice, the first ingredient I'll be using will be apples. So I'll be using 3 little apples. If you have bigger apples, you can use 2. So you want to wash your apples thoroughly and slice into tiny little sizes. As our doctors always say, an apple a day will take you away from the hospital, from sicknesses, because it is alkalizing to help form a disease fighting barrier in your system against diseases and sicknesses, so you can always be healthy. The second ingredient I will be using will be cucumbers. So I'll be using 1 large cucumber. Cucumbers are equally alkalizing to fight diseases in your system, form that disease fighting barrier, and equally hydrate and support your system to flush out waste, toxins, making you always sick so you can always stay healthy. And cucumbers have been known to fight certain kinds of cancers and sicknesses. So you want to get your 1 large cucumber, slice into some tiny little sizes. You can actually juice out the juice from your cucumbers. So make sure to always wash your ingredients, very important. You don't want to put in germs in your system. Those are the first two. The third green ingredient I'll be adding for cleansing will be celery. So I'll be adding like 4 stems of celery. Celery is very good at cleansing the skin. It will cleanse you, cleanse your organs, cleanse your skin cells, and it will reflect outwardly. Your skin will look so clean and clear. Plus, it will fight diseases, form a disease fighting barrier in your system against sicknesses. This is the first 3 ingredients, and I'll be adding in parsley. Parsley is very good at cleansing and fighting diseases. Like, it has the good chlorophyll to cleanse and repair your skin from the inside. This is so good. Parsley is common. You can get it from the food market. You just need a handful of parsley, and you make sure to wash it thoroughly. Like, I'll be using vinegar to wash up my parsley with. So if there is any like insecticides that were sprayed, you don't want any chemicals in your system. So this is it, thoroughly cleaned and rinsed. And yeah, so that is a handful of parsley. These are the ingredients for my green juice. What you want to do is to put out all these green ingredients like in your blender. Like, if you want to cleanse, green juices are perfect for that, like to fight diseases, cleanse your system, and enable your system and your organs to function properly so you can stay good health with clean systems. So this is it. You want to blend. As you can see, I started without adding water, so I'll blend for some time before I add in some water. So I'll be adding like 2 cups of water in there. So that is my measuring cup, 2 cups of water, so it can give me enough juice for the whole day. So you want to blend. When you start blending without adding water, you actually really get the ingredients smooth before you add in water. So now it's time to sieve out the fiber from my ingredients, because what you want is the juice. But I will not be throwing my fiber. I will add this fiber in my smoothie. I will share with you a video on how I use this fiber. I'll share with you how to use your fiber, but don't throw it. You can just put it in a bowl and store in your refrigerator for next use. So that is it. You want to squeeze out, and what we need is the juice. So I'll be storing that up, and you can now transfer your juice in your bottle. So this is for day one. This is what I'll be drinking for the whole of day one. So that is it. You just pour in your cup. It came out like 1.5 cups. So this is day one cleansing, and now to day two, which is fat burning. So in order to come up with our fat burning juice, we'll be using a lot of ginger. It is like a ginger juice. So ginger helps to burn down fat. Like, you want to make ginger juice to help you heat up your system, because it is thermic, to burn down all the bad fats in your system so you can stay in shape. Like, I really need this now because I have been eating wrong, and I need a lot of, like, something powerful to help me burn down the fats in my system. So yeah, this is it. This is like a bowl of ginger, like this quantity. Like, you can use, like, in the form of inches, you can say like 15 inches of ginger. You wash and slice into some good sizes so that you can blend. So I will be preparing the second ingredient, which is lemon. Lemon is equally good at burning fats. It helps to boost your metabolism so you can burn down bad fats in your system. The good acids in lemon help to flush out bad acids, making your system, or slowing down your metabolism, so it can now be active for you to burn down the bad fat. So I will now get the juice out of this ginger before I get into the other ingredients. So I want to first of all extract the juice, and you want to put your ginger in a blender, add in some water, like 2 cups of water. So you add in 2 cups of water and blend, blend, blend. You can now, like, sieve out the fiber of the ginger. Now what we need is the juice. So that is what I'm trying to do here. So you sieve, and this is it. This is the juice from 2 cups of water. Voila. So this is your ginger juice. The next ingredient I'll be adding will be pineapple. So pineapples are equally fat burning as well. Very good if you're looking to burn fats and get back in shape. Add some pineapples in your smoothies and or your juices. Trust me, you will burn down fat. So I will not be throwing this pineapple peel. I will leave the pineapple peel for my other weight loss drinks, but for today I'll be using just the pineapple. So pineapples are very good. They are fat burning. They wake up your metabolism and help you burn down fat, most especially the middle of the pineapple. Like, this is so good. It has the good acids your system needs to burn down bad acids in your system. So what you want to do is to slice your 1 pineapple, and that is it. So now I want to blend the pineapple and get the juice from this pineapple. So I will blend it separately, and you will see how I'll get the ingredients together. So you want to blend your pineapple. Remember, don't add water when blending your pineapple. Pineapples have enough water. You want to be minimal with water as much as you can here. So I just blended without water, and you can use your sieve to, like, extract the juice, and that is the fiber. And I don't throw this fiber. Remember, I will show you how to use your fiber. Don't throw your fiber. So yeah, so that is it. You just keep, like, extracting the juice and make sure to keep your fiber. This is so good. Pineapples are so good. Like, you see, it has given me enough juice. So this is my fiber. I will store, and remember, I will show you how to use the fiber. So now I will be pouring in the pineapple juice in the ginger juice, and that is the lemon juice I will add in there. So these are 3 ingredients: pineapple juice, ginger juice, lemon juice. You want to mix well, mix all, so you get, like, all the ingredients infused into one. You can now pour in your bottle. So this will give me 2 bottles. This is 2 bottles, enough to help me burn down all the bad fats in my system for me to stay in shape. So this is what I'll be having for day 2 to help me burn down the fats on day 2. And now to day 3. After cleansing, burning down fats, I will go now with my glowing juice. So we all know carrots contain a lot of beta carotene, which helps to glow up the skin. Like, it prevents the production of excess pigmentation, causing skin discoloration. Like, it glows your skin naturally from the inside. It's highly rich in vitamin A to protect your skin cells from damaging, repairing your skin. Like, carrots are so good if you want to have that clear, glowy, and brighter looking skin. So this is my carrot, 3 carrots, large carrots, which I have cleaned and sliced into some shapes I love. The next ingredient I'll be adding will be these red apples. That is because red apples are loaded with antioxidants. Like, they contain a lot of antioxidants, more than the green apples. The green apples contain more health benefits, but these red apples, they contain a lot of antioxidants I need to fight free radical damage on my skin, so I can have that beautiful ageless glow to the skin. So this is my 2 apples sliced. The next ingredient I'll be adding will be 2 oranges. So these are 2 oranges to equally help glow up the skin. Oranges are highly rich in vitamin C, which helps to glow the skin, freshen up the skin. Plus, vitamin C is a form of antioxidant as well to fight free radical damage, causing dull skin. So you can have that very beautiful and glowing looking skin. Like, all these ingredients are glowing skin ingredients. So what I want to do is to pour my ingredients in my blender, the carrot and now the apple. I'll pour in the fiber from the orange juice, but I will not be adding the orange now. So I'll add in 2 cups of water to blend these ingredients with. You blend with 2 cups of water to enable it really smooth, so you can actually extract the juice out of your ingredients. This is so rich if you're looking to glow your skin. Like, this is a very powerful juice with all those ingredients to naturally glow your skin. So that is my orange juice. I'll add it later on, but I want to get the juice out of these carrots. I want to get the juice out of the carrots so I can easily like add in my orange juice later. So you want to like use your sieve to extract the juice, and don't throw your fiber. As I mentioned earlier, I'll show you what I will do with this fiber, so make sure not to throw it. Very important. It has its own function. Fiber keeps you so full but with less calories. That way you are so full without a lot of calories, causing belly fat and weight gain. So this is so good if you're looking to lose weight. Consume a lot of fiber, and I'll be showing you how to come up with your weight loss smoothie with this fiber that will keep you full but you will lose weight. So now I have added in my orange juice and I mix, and voila, this is it. I'll now pour my juice for day 3 in my bottle. So this is for day 3. You can now serve it and drink for the whole of day 3. So yeah, these are the 3 juices. For day 1 is the green, which is for detox. Day 2 is the kind of light milkish. Day 3 is the orange one for brightening. So yeah, these are my 3 juices. I hope someone will join me to do this and share the results with me as well. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to share this video with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy and looking good. Bye.